Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to refill coffee beans on a Philips 4400 coffee machine. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have my Philips 4400 coffee machine. It is absolutely awesome, and refilling the beans on this machine is super easy to do. All that you need are some coffee beans of your choice. You can choose whichever coffee beans you desire, and then you need access to where they go. So if we're looking at the machine over here, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the top over here, and right over here, as you can see, this is basically like the hopper for the beans. So I'm just going to lift it off. It's got a little, like a gasket on it. So it's like, it's sort of like, it's not suction down, but you're going to have to give it a decent pull to lift it up. I'm just going to place it to the side over here. And then as you can see, there are still some beans in there, but not a lot. There's not a lot of beans, but there are still some beans in there. But yeah, I'm going to refill the beans. Really, really easy to do. As you can see over here, I have some coffee beans. I'm running low. I actually have to go to the store to get some more. But yeah, I have some coffee beans. I don't use this machine every day. I do use it, definitely most days, and some days multiple times a day, because I have different coffee machines that I use, depending on what type of coffee I want and what the day looks like and so on and so forth. But yeah, definitely got to refill my beans. But anyways, I'm just going to put some more beans in here. It's very, very simple. You just literally empty the beans into this area right here. And as you can see, as you empty them, they all basically make their way down. I'll just leave some in the container, just because I'm doing a whole bunch of content with this machine. So in case I need the container with the beans for something else. But yeah, they basically make their way down over there. And when you use the machine, this sort of like, it makes a sound and the beans make their way into there. So yeah, once you have, put your beans in their location, you want to take the lid and just put it, obviously it only goes in one direction because you can see there's an indent over there. But just get the lid, I'm trying to do this with one hand. Get the lid and put it back in place. Give it a good press, and yeah, as you can see, we've refilled the coffee beans. It is literally that simple. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and yeah, I've got nothing else to show you, nothing else to say, so hopefully you enjoyed the content. But yeah, with nothing else to say, nothing else to show you, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.